All right, in today's episode, we are unboxing the Crossrope Get Strong set because we gotta get strong. Jeez Louise. Welcome to the Crossrope Get Strong set unboxing. This is the box. You have a 1 pound rope and a 2 pound rope inside of this box, plus the power handles. So if you are subscribed to this channel, which if you're not, please subscribe right now. This is the time to do it. You might have watched the Get Lean set unboxing. This is the Get Lean set where you get a 1/4 pound and a 1/2 pound jump ropes, and the slim handle set, which what that looks like is right here. So this is the slim handle set right there, and this is the 1/4 pound and the 1/2 pound ropes. And what now I'm gonna do is unbox the Get Strong set for you so you can see what's in there, what you get, so that way if you're trying to buy it, you know what's in it. Crossrope Fitness, right? These are expensive jump ropes. So if you're like, I don't know if I should buy it or not, just make your sister buy the Get Lean set so that way you can go ahead and buy the Get Strong set. They have a 60-day return policy, which they're super nice about. They have a discount and a deal when you buy the two together, and I emailed them and I was like, I want this one too. They're like, go ahead, just order it and we'll give you the discount to make it happen into one. And they did it, super nice. Let's open this sucker up. So obviously in comparison, maybe we're doing a comparison video as well. The box sizes are definitely different. One is twice as big. You can open that sucker up. Get started in 3 easy steps. They have an app that you can download with jump rope workouts. And as you can see here, we've got a gray rope. This is the gray rope. Boom. We have the strength handles. Is that what it's called? Power handles. So these are the power handles. Much bigger, much thicker. Look at the size. Wrapped in beautiful plastic right there. So these are way thicker. And the second one, which is the thing that I love about these, is the ability to connect and disconnect. And I bet you can use these power handles with the later set as well. Same thing, you open that sucker up, and inside we have some stickers. Nice. Branding. We have another bag. This one is black, the other one was white. Crossrope bag. So you get a white one with the Get Lean set and a black one with the Get Strong set. And then finally, the behemoth. The 2-pounder rope. Look at that rope right there. This is some high quality rope. I will tell you that for sure. This is an expensive jump rope. $100, $140. Like, should you really buy it? I don't know. But it is a good quality rope. I can tell you and assure you of that. This is the slim handle, right? Slim handle, it's rather slim. And then this is the power handle. So you can kind of see the difference right there. When I put my hand over it, right? You've got, it's just thicker, right? It's just thicker, as you can tell. The thickness is different, but the mechanism to attach is the same. So I would presume I can take my Get Slim handle and take a 1 pound rope and tie it so it works. But I would probably presume that you want to use the power handles just because of the weight of these ropes and for you to have the grip on them as well. Boom, easy peasy, locks in. Like, they're not sponsoring this video, they're not giving me anything, but I absolutely love the connecting mechanism. It's a high quality handle. We should test these out right here, right now, right? We won't break anything, so maybe we should do the 2-pounder rope. All right, let's do that. This weighs a lot more than this one does, probably twice the weight. And this one has more of an ergonomic groove. I don't know if you can tell, kind of near the top right there. Whereas this one is pretty flat. It's kind of rounded, a slight rounding around the edges. Because when I bought these Amazon jump ropes, I went through like 2 Amazon jump ropes in 1 week. I was like, I'm not wasting my time. I'm gonna put some money down. Actually, I didn't buy the first set, but the second set I did buy. I was just like, I'm gonna put the money down for this video, so hopefully you like and subscribe. But yeah, I think it's good. I think in life, it's important to invest in high quality products and not worry about them breaking, because sometimes if you, oh my God, this thing is a behemoth of a rope. I'm actually scared now of using this. But invest in high quality products. I digress. That is the end. This is the end of it with the little attachment. You can tell, like, the attachment piece. Stay with me. You can tell the attachment piece is like way smaller than the actual rope thickness. This is a thick rope, so all the weight is in the actual rope itself. Invest in good, high quality things that you'll keep for a long time so you don't have to worry about it. But only do that if you know you're gonna use it. It's so easy to buy these jump ropes and never use them. Because do it for the video, right? Oh! All right, cut to Brian using those really big jump ropes and see his reaction. Yeah, you should be good. Should be good.
making the floor every single time. Jumping rope.
2 pounds.
Holy crap.
I know. There you go. Our downstairs neighbors are not going to be so happy. Sorry, Steven. It's definitely more awkward when you know them. The Get Strong versus the Get Lean unboxing that I just did. You got to kind of see what the ropes look like, how they feel, hopefully in this experience. My name is Shervin Shares. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button down below. Really helps support the channel. We're trying to grow, baby. We're trying to get to 3K. But share this video with a friend. If you're like, I'm not sure if I should get these jump ropes, share this video, send it to them. And make sure to look up some discounts because they always have discounts on these ropes. So I'm looking out for you. I don't have any discounts because I'm not sponsored by them. But just Google that and you'll find it. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace. Welcome to Shervin Shares Vlogs, where we just look at this home. We have lights set up everywhere. It looks stunning.